Okay, this is number 1. We're going to solve this by isolating the expression. Here's our expression, and meaning we get cosine on one side and everything else on the other, and then we'll be able to solve it. And notice they want the answer from negative infinity to infinity, so we'll talk about that in a minute. So basically, let's get everything that's cosine on the same side. So I have a 5 cosine x and a 3 cosine x. I'm going to subtract 3 cosine x from both sides. So I get 2 cosine x plus the square root of 2 equals 0. So 2 cosine x equals negative square root of 2. So cosine x equals negative square root of 2 over 2. Now, to solve for x, you say to yourself, what angle of x gives me negative square root of 2 over 2? And so cosine is negative in the second and third quadrant, so that would be 3 pi over 4 and 5 pi over 4. Okay, and let's look at where those are on the unit circle. There is 3 pi over 4 and 5 pi over 4. Now, if you see, if I need to get around to the next one because it loops around, I have to go a whole nother 2 pi to get to it. So plus 2 pi n, and if I'm at 5 pi, I have to go all the way around here plus 2 pi n to get that more of the answer. So that's your answer. X equals 3 pi over 4 plus 2 pi n and 5 pi over 4 plus 2 pi n. Okay, let's go on to number 2.